I love putting on lashes just to take them off 5 minutes later. So fine, I'm fine. What's going on, ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between? It's I, NeonMUA. And thank you. I am just flabbergasted because Lunar Retrograde sold out. It is literally sold out. I mean, was I expecting it to sell out? Yes. Was I expecting it to sell out in less than a week? No. For you guys, thank you so much. I'm truly appreciative of all of the love and support for Lunar Retrograde. We were nearly sold out after one day, to be completely honest, and to, like I said, sell out within a week's time is just, sheesh. I'm so taken back, but thank you so much for all the support. I truly appreciate it. If you didn't get your hands on Lunar Retrograde, then don't worry, because there will be a restock. Go ahead and go to drenchcosmetics.com, sign up for the newsletter so that you don't miss out on when that restock happens. Follow us on the socials so you'll see it, and I'll let y'all know when the restock happens too, don't worry. But today I am here to give you the last tutorial out of the Lunar Retrograde campaigns that I did. If you guys have been following, I have done looks on all 4 of the looks I did for this whole launch, and this is the final one. There will be more looks, don't worry. But this is honestly my favorite one because it's very purple, clearly. It's also neon, clearly. I had a lot of fun doing this look. This is extremely creative, and this shows just how versatile, and all the looks as a whole show just how versatile that Lunar Retrograde truly is. So if you guys are excited about playing with Lunar Retrograde and don't know where to go, here you go. Hi, Fisher, I'm here. Hello, welcome. My name is Neon, also known as Darius, also known as your favorite makeup peddler. I feel like that's my name for now on. I feel like a Mary Kay consultant, but hi, I do makeup videos. If you're interested in any of these videos at any point and want to see more, then first give it a thumbs up, like, and show the dolls that you support. It's Black History Month, because why are you not supporting Black people? Also subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more videos in the future. And without further ado, we're gonna do this last tutorial because I was supposed to put this out last week. Here it is, this neon moon. What am I calling this? A neon moon look? Am I calling this a purple moon? Neon, we'll call it this royal moon eye look using my baby Lunar Retrograde. So let's go. So we are going to do my favorite look from the campaign of Lunar Retrograde, and of course it's my favorite because we're using purple, period. So we're going to start by packing on the shade Guardian, which is the royal purple in this palette. We're going to apply that in a bit of a mauve shape. So I'm going to start by applying it in the outer third of the eye and building it up and out, and also applying it in the inner third of the eye as well in that same mauve shape. And I'm just making sure to leave the center of the eye open. Next, we are going to take, this is a look in its own. We're done. Next, we're going to take the shade Zenithflower, which is the lilac lavender shade. And we're going to use it just to buff out the edges. However, I'm buffing on the sides out. I'm not going to buff up, I'm going to buff out. So up next, we are going to apply the shade Multidimensional, which is the green gold, and we are going to apply that directly in the middle of the lid. I use my finger first and I will clean everything up later, and I'm going over that purple a little bit simply because I want to open up this space some more. So I'm just going to go in with a brush, and I'm taking Multidimensional up, filling up the gaps. I'm just taking a small dip into Zenithflower and using that to help buff out the edges, because as gorgeous as this metallic is, I do want it to be a bit more grounded because it is very intense. So I'm softly taking Zenith Hour to help kind of mattify that a little. Going back into Guardian, and I am applying that along the bottom lash line. Also gonna take the shade Zenith Hour, buff that out at the bottom. Now I'm gonna take the shade Full Moon, which is the matte white eyeshadow. Apply that in the inner corner and down into the lash line. And this looks so great to help highlight but not take focus away from the metallic that's on the lid. Right, so that's pretty much all of the actual shadow work. Of course, I'll go back in and clean things up in a second, but I'm going to take a liquid cake liner. I'm going to be using this pastel green cake liner. So the easiest way to do this is to follow the lines or the gaps that you made. And then while that is still kind of wet and you can malleable, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to go back in and clean up the lines with Guardian. Get closer to the edges using Zenith Hour, as well as Full Moon. And then for the bottom lash line, I'm just going to create a shape here. Alright, and that is it. All I have to do is put on lashes and liner, and then we'll be done. Alright, so that is the completed look. And on the last look from the LUNAR Retrograde campaign. And again, thank you so much, everyone. The palette is sold out, and I'm just like... But if you aren't able to get your hands on LUNAR Retrograde this time, you'll be able to get it on the next restock. Make sure to go to Drench Cosmetics website and sign up for the newsletter. And follow everyone just to find out on restocks and things of that nature. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I appreciate y'all following and watching this series of tutorials. Don't worry, there will be more content based around LUNAR Retrograde and more content in general. But it's nice to come back on YouTube and see you guys support me. But if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means so much. Also, if you want to continue seeing my face on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell as well, so that you don't miss the next time I upload. And yeah. Also, make sure to follow me on all social media accounts as well. That is NeonMUA on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, Pinterest, things. And also follow Drench Cosmetics on all of their sites as well. Like I said, make sure you follow both of us everywhere so that you guys can find out about restocks when they happen, which they will. Do not worry. And you guys, that is it for this video. Again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys rock. Thank you for a successful launch of LUNAR Retrograde. I appreciate it. Until next time. Watch more videos, watch more content, watch the other videos of the tutorials of the looks from the campaign. Also watch the reveal video again, because why not?